Introducing the 2018 Ram 2500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It includes heated seats, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and a split folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.